Kung akala mo tapos na ang laban sa mid-range, think again. Dahil ito na Infinix Note 60 Ultra 5G. Isang phone na halos flagship level ang specs pero inaasahang mas affordable. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung legit bang ultra ang performance nito or hype lang. Simulan natin sa design. Premium agad ang dating. IP64 dust and water resistant. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection. Slim kahit may malaking battery. May active matrix display sa likod, pang notifications at aesthetic. Honestly, standout to. Bihira ka makakita ng ganitong feature sa price range ng Infinix. Sa display pa lang, panalo na agad. May 6.78-inch AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, 4,500 nits peak brightness. May Ultra HDR support, meaning super smooth sa scrolling, solid sa gaming at kita kahit tirik ang araw. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate 4nm chipset, isa sa pinakamalakas sa segment. May 12GB of RAM with 256 or 512GB UFS 4.0 internal storage. With Mali G720 GPU, kayang-kaya ang heavy gaming tulad ng CODM, PUBG Mobile at Genshin Impact. Plus future-proof na rin. Camera setup, grabe, flagship vibes. May 200 megapixel main camera with OIS, plus 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera, plus 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 4K at 60 fps video recording. At meron siyang 32 megapixel selfie camera. Isa sa pinakamalakas na feature nito ay ang battery. May 7,000 mAh battery capacity, plus 100 watt fast charging, plus 50 watt wireless charging, reverse wired and wireless charging, bypass charging for gaming, basically pang 2 days usage at mabilis pa mag-charge. Sa gaming, smooth experience dahil sa 144Hz display, strong chipset, cooling system, bypass charging, perfecto sa mobile gamers. Sa ngayon, wala pa tayong information about sa official price at availability, pero expected na ilalabas ito globally soon. Kung magiging tama ang presyo nito, this could be one of the best value phones of 2026. Kung nagustuhan mo ang review na to, don't forget to like, subscribe at i-comment mo kung bibilin mo ba ang Infinix Note 60 Ultra 5G.